Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Nur Akida binti Osma from LG2405EI. Today, on behalf of my friends Atika, Nurul Amira and Siti Nur Najiha, I will be presenting on the topic Factors Affecting Second Language Acquisition on Autistic Children. And this is our research poster. In this presentation, I will be focusing on the factors that contribute to the difficulties that autistic children face when they learn a second language. As for introduction, autism is a developmental disability that is associated with unusual social interaction, communication, and behavior. Children with this disability usually have trouble in developing their first language and learning a second language. Therefore, the objective of this research are to investigate whether multiple language exposure affects second language in autistic children and to examine the factors that affect second language acquisition in autistic children. And there are two research questions for this study, which are the first one, does multiple language exposure affect second language acquisition in autistic children? And what are the factors that affect second language acquisition in autistic children? As for the literature review, according to studies by Chen and Kuo 2017 and Kwok et al. 2014, children with ASD often experience delay in learning their first language and face pragmatic difficulties. Holding 2003 also states in one study that autistic infants may take up to 38 months to acquire a language compared to normal infants who would take only 8 to 14 months to develop their first language. And lastly, a research carried out by Zhu et al. 2017 and Barlita 2019 indicate that autistic children have the potential to learn a second language by undergoing a similar learning process with normal children. Reaching to the highlight of this presentation, there are 5 factors affecting second language acquisition on autistic children, and the first one concur with a study by Zhu et al. 2017 that autistic children exposed to a second language learning environment make significant language gains. And the second finding reaffirms earlier findings by Yu 2013 that autistic children's exposure to more than one language can provide opportunities for second language learning. Barlita 2019 also suggests that second language development in autistic children is similar to the process that normal children go through when they acquire a second language. And moving on to the next factor, which is highlighted by Davis and Zaki 2020 and Trayson 2012, which is parental concerns, neglect, and negative behavior of autistic children could be some of the major factors affecting the second language learning. And the last factor is the communicative behavior among autistic children in second language learning, and this is an important factor that affects language input stated by Prison 1983. To come to a conclusion, multiple language exposure may benefit autistic children in learning their second language. Other than that, learning a second language may be successful for autistic children if parents play a role in the process by providing a conducive environment for autistic children to learn a second language, and that may contribute to a successful learning. Last but not least, from the research, we can conclude that stable emotion and positive behaviors of autistic children are essential for a second language learning. That is all for today's presentation. Thank you for your time and have a good day.